Guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn on send text to speech messages on your account on Discord on your role settings. Easy and quick. First click here and now click settings and now click roles. Click here now and now click permissions. Here, as you see, you will find send text to speech messages. Click on it and click save, and it will be saved, and that's it. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching until the end, and see you in the next video.